Molding is basically using an existing form to create a ceramic piece. You can use anything as a mold, like this bowl. I could use this bowl as a slump mold by placing the clay inside of the concave area of the bowl, or I could use this bowl as a hump mold by placing clay over the top of the convex area of the bowl. The only problem is that this mold is non-porous. It's glazed ceramic, so the clay will stick to it. If I used plastic, the clay would also stick to the plastic because it's also non-porous, which means I need to use a resist agent. Like this wet newspaper, I can put the wet newspaper in between my mold and my clay, and then once my piece is finished and built and leather hard, I can easily remove it from the mold. Another option is to wrap it in saran wrap. This isn't as environmentally conscious, and you need to make sure that you remove all of the saran wrap before the piece goes into the kiln. Whereas if you get some newspaper stuck in your ceramic piece, it will just burn away. Another option is to coat my non-porous mold with Vaseline, which can be kind of messy. Now, some molds are made of plaster. Plaster is a porous substance that the clay doesn't really stick to. We don't need to put a resist agent on a plaster mold, unlike a plastic mold, which needs a resist agent. I can just lay the clay right on top of this. This kind of mold is both a hump and a slump mold. I can take them apart, and you can see the slump mold is on the left, the hump mold's on the right, and it's plaster, so no resist agent is needed.